Bonjour, mon ami, amigos míos, my friends. How are you? Today we are in Casa Raynes, and we are just about to show you a gorgeous, gorgeous house. You can just look at how the clean details of the architecture of the house are applied into every single part of the house. Now, this pool, which is 2 meters deep on end to end, has an optic effect that I'll show you guys later. Makes you think that one side is less, the other one is deeper, but it's completely 2 meters on both ends. And you have a lot of the greenery on both sides. It's just very beautiful. Now, this space over here, it's kind of like your media, your entertainment room. You have a nice projector. You can see like full cinema space down here. And it's just all open space. It's very, very nice. This is one of the houses that I can tell you straight off the bat is very, very appealing to everything that I think it should be, particularly like that on the house. Now here, look at this dining, hardwood, fantastic dining table. The space is magnificent. It's right next to the pool. So you got the media entertainment, you got the dining, all open space, and it's very beautiful. It's got 3 levels, plus your open rooftop. On this first level, you have an accessible bedroom with bathroom, which is very good. I mean, not everybody can be walking up the stairs and so forth, so it's very good that you have this. Now, when you look at these rooms, you understand what I'm saying about how the attention to the details was put into everything when they remodeled this house. And it's just very gorgeous. It's clean lines. They kept all the colonial Spanish from the era. And still the Republican facade. This bathroom is also accessible from the pool and is the one that you can have with your private space on that bedroom. It's just very well thought of. And then if you come out this way, we'll just go up the stairs to the second floor. Beautiful, beautiful coral stone on all the stairs. Just look down, look at this magnificent view just going down the stairs. You got a little balcony. This is very typical from all the Spanish era. All the houses that have this type of colonial space keep something like that. They kept it like that so they could look down the stairs and see who was coming up. Pretty clever, huh? Now, here, will you look at this roof? So, very, very well revived from what was before. All the walls in place, the decoration, the harmony that was put into the house is simply beautiful. This is one of the details that I love, this table, the use of natural stones and combination of materials all throughout the house. I'm going to show you one of the bedrooms. It's a very typical design. You got 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms on this second floor, plus the one on the first level, and then we have some up on the third. But look at this one. All the design, the beds, the decoration, everything was thought of from the likes of the style, the architectural style that we have from Coco Raynes. And you can see how she used all the marble on the bedroom. And everything is spacious. It's not typical that you find good, spacious areas on these houses that are well distributed. This one, like for a family setting, you have your couple, your queen bed right here. And if you come up to the mezzanine area, you're going to find that you have beds for the children. So it's also something that was considered on the different bedrooms of the house. And you can see how the roof is all redone, is perfectly set in place. See, if it was early in the morning, I'd be like, hey, everybody, calm down. Let's go to the pool. Now, this other bedroom over here is a little bit different. This one is a little bit different. Yet you can see how everything is done with such good taste, so clean. Everything was on the right spot. You can tell how everything just sits in the right place. The use of marble stone is fantastic. And you have this open, natural light entry into the bathroom. It's phenomenal. It's really, really good. Now I'm going to show you the studio. This is the studio where excellent ideas, great minds come together and think very good things. Now, this is a very balanced, very harmonic studio. Everything is in place, everything angled. And for me, it's just peaceful to work here. Now, you guys remember Jim Carrey on that movie, right? Where he was saying, like, oh, I'm going to have one coffee from the mountains of Colombia. Everybody knows we got the best coffee in the world. And hence why I'm just enjoying one. Okay, now let's move on because we have to finish showing you how beautiful this house is. So follow me. Now, all of you who know me well will understand why this rooftop is probably one of my preferred places to hang out on this house. Anybody can guess why? Well, if you haven't guessed it, it's the grill. So this is where you have a seat, get your sunset on, light up your cigar, pour yourself a nice Johnny Walker Black Label or Blue Label. No, for this place, Blue Label, for sure. And then, of course, you got all your space here for your friends, your family, everybody to enjoy. And me, moi, the master chef, I'm going to hang out up here. So this is where I'll be preparing a delicious vacío, some nice churrasco, some lobster tails, do a little surf and turf, just set it up here. I'll be looking at you guys down there, lighting my cigar, pour myself a scotch. Delicious. Voila. Don't drink all your whiskey up there because now you got to come down the stairs. Got to hang out with the folks. Everybody on this table, everybody on this area. I tell you, this place is just simply delicious. Delicious. And now, I don't know if I mentioned, we have a little bedroom here and a nice small bathroom with a shower also here for the third level. So all together, you're talking about 5 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, 3 levels, gorgeous spaces, awesome finishes. I mean, I leave it up to you to judge it, but this for me, this is fantastic.